In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down to click on Security and Privacy. Over here. When you're ready, scroll down. Click on Screen Lock and Biometrics. Enter your current login method. And finally, hit face recognition over here. Now you need to select Continue. Click on Register. Follow all of the instructions presented on your screen and wait for 100% mark. When you finish, make sure that this switcher next to Face Unlock is blue. You can manage all of those options however you want to, and even add alternative appearance to enhance recognition by clicking over here and adding your face data again. So now, when I go back, take my phone, turn off my screen and turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!